Is that a garden?
And everybody said the same thing.
I love people. And then I'll go.
No, he come down to the breakfast meet with his son last week. You were there, I think. Came up to talk to him and he said the old exhaust program, so we had to get some new ones. So it's like,